What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Bitcoin, guys. There's a fractal from 2013. Originally, I saw this post on Instagram, so I cannot take credit for finding this, but I think it's really important to look at here. So currently, we're sitting at 62,900, almost 63K, guys, up about 0.66% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 1176 billion, 24-hour volume, 38.41 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 5-day time frame. This is back in 2013. So you can see right here, we had our April high followed by a steep correction. We had a bounce right around July 10th. We came up and we corrected back down to the 55 EMA, which is right at the beginning of October. And we saw an explosive move for Bitcoin. If we go from the bottom here to the top, of basically 1,000%. This is from 2013, guys. So now we're going to skip ahead to the present time. So check this out, guys. We had our April high. We saw a steep correction. We bounced July 20th. And look what happened, guys. We saw a sell-off in September. We came right back down to the 55 EMA and we bounced. And when did we bounce? Right at the beginning of October, October 3rd. If we look at 2013, where do we bounce? October 3rd. And we saw our explosive move followed by our correction leading into a bear market. All right, guys. So if history is to repeat itself, we've already started our explosive move. Now, the move in 2013 was 1,000% gain. So just for fun, I'm going to show you guys what 1,000% gain would look at from this bounce here. So if we take it from our bottom here and we go up 1,000%, just a moment, guys, just have to scroll down a little bit here. So let's go up by 1,000%. So 1,000% gain would bring us all the way up close to the 3.618, which would give us a $457,000 Bitcoin. Now, does that mean Bitcoin is going to reach 400K on this bull run? I think it's a bit of a moonshot. I think it's more likely that we come up to the 2.272 extension here, which is up at about 180K. I'll also drop in the 2.0, which is at 148. And we have the 2.618, which is up at 239K for Bitcoin. I think these price targets are more reasonable, which would be a juicy gain from this breakout here. If we made it all the way up to the 2.618 of about 474%, I think that's more realistic. But considering this fractal is so similar to our 2013 bull run, we had our correction and we bounced almost off exactly the same dates as we did in 2013. And then we saw an explosive move. Bitcoin peaked at the end of November into December, and then we saw our sell-off. So if this fractal is telling us anything, we're going to see explosive moves to the upside for Bitcoin. And we can look at targeting the end of November going into December as a possible top out for Bitcoin, and a possibility of the bull run coming to an end here. So I just want to quickly jump into the 4-hour time frame. We are creating higher highs here, and we're creating lower highs on the 4-hour RSI, as well as on the money flow index. Money is flowing out of the market while the price is rising. I do think a pullback is due before our all-time high. I've dropped in these levels of support: 49.9, 57.5, 54.3. So if you'd like to dollar cost average into your trade, these are great levels of support to look at for entering Bitcoin. All right, guys, that's basically it. I just wanted to make you guys aware of that fractal from 2013. I thought it was pretty cool here, and looks like a strong sign that we're going to see explosive moves in the coming months. All right, guys, if you got any value, smash that like button. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts, and talking all things crypto. You can sign up to the Patreon. It's the price of a coffee. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.